Hey everybody, Southwest Prepper with the Southwest Prepper Group. Check this out. The IFAK from Refuge Medical. And if you don't know who that is, check out TJ over at Bear Independent. Ring a bell? Yeah. They make some really badass IFAKs, folks. And if you haven't seen my video on my IFAK, go ahead and check it out. I did it a while back. But I'm a first responder, retired, but I still keep up with my certifications. And in the military, I was also a first responder. So I used a lot of the gear that they sell in here. And I saw it and I asked them, can I get one? And they definitely sent one over. Much appreciated, guys. So I want to tell you all about this IFAK. This is a must-have, folks. For anybody who's had any medical training or first responder of any kind, this is a must-have. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. All you do is, and it's a MOLLE gear, MOLLE web, so you could easily web it into your gear, your backpack, your vest. But all you do, open it up, grab this red handle, and just simply pull it out. There you are. Everything that you possibly could need in a medical emergency. So let me get this all situated here and we'll go through everything. Let's start on this side. So we got a survival blanket, compressed gauze, triangular bandage. We've got your eye patch, iPad, and let me just go ahead and set it all out and we'll go through it all. There's a lot of stuff in here, folks, and we have a promo code for it too. I will put that in the description. You can save 10% off your entire purchase with our promo code, and they got a lot of goodies. This is not all they have, folks. They have a lot of first aid gear, and we will be reviewing a lot of it here soon. So all that was just in that one bag on one side. Let's move to the other side. Yeah, it just keeps going and going and going. Some more shears, hyphen vent, chest seal. All right, so that's it. That's everything, folks. And on the bag, you still have another tourniquet. There's some more shears. So I'll set that aside. But here's the paperwork, folks. Refuge Medical, the IFAK 3.0. So let's go ahead and go through everything here. So you got your patch, your tourniquet, quick clot, trauma shears, hyphen, nasal, emergency trauma dressing, burn dressing, abdominal pads, triangular bandage, compressed gauze, survival blanket, gauze 4x4, gauze 2x2, rolled gauze, eye shield, eye pad, gate gauze, flat duct tape, medical tape, permanent marker, nitrile gloves, and antiseptic towelette, folks. That is awesome. That's a lot of gear in there. And like I said, it's made in America. This stuff is all guaranteed for life. Over 30 lives saved in 2 years with these kits, used on 4 continents by 4 branches of the armed service. I could attest to that. Hooah. Developed in conjunction with U.S. Special Forces, exceeds military specifications for individual first aid kits. And that's what IFAK stands for, folks. Individual first aid kits. Made by a small business, bootstrapped from the dining room table. Based out of Eastern Oklahoma, the best medical components available. So there you have it, folks. A very badass IFAK from Refuge Medical. Bear independent. So this is a must-have, folks. Again, they also have medical training. I forgot to mention that. So if you don't know exactly how to use all this, check them out. They actually have classes offered. So if you're interested, you definitely need to check it out. And again, I mentioned all these first responders out here, all the parents, gun owners, this is a must-have. I'm serious. We carried a lot of this gear in the military as a first responder, and it works. It's not junk gear. This is not some stuff you're gonna find in the dollar store or anything like that. This is quality gear. This is the bag. It's quality. It's a heavy-duty bag. Check that out. You're not gonna find gear like this anywhere else, folks. Seriously, this is Southwest Prepper approved, first responder approved, military approved. So definitely check them out. They have a lot of goodies over there. And for the bigger households, check this out. The wound care bucket. And yeah, it's a bucket, folks. Sorry, can't get it all in full view, but this is, look at all the goodies in this bucket. A must-have for those homesteads. So folks, stay tuned. We got a lot of good gear to review, a lot of good companies to show. This is the Southwest Prepper with Refuge Medical. Be safe out there.